TxStampin, Sharon. On today's video, we're gonna make a tent card. I haven't made one of those in a while, so I hope that you'll enjoy it. I also have some other ideas to share with you as well. If you're new to my channel, I wanna welcome you. I invite you to subscribe to my channel below and then hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time I upload a video or I go live on YouTube. If you currently do not have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would love to help you with your Stampin' Up! Supply needs. I can help you place your orders. Whatever you need my assistance, I'm here to help you. You can find out my store, how to contact me, sign up for my newsletter, all of that below the video. Let's make some tent cards. Today we're going to use the Angels of Peace stamp set. This is in the mini catalog that is from June to December. And when I first bought it, I was like, oh, this will make a beautiful Christmas card. But then when I really started reading the sentiments, I was like, you're an angel. Sometimes angels are just good people with kind hearts. That can be any time of the year for any time you want to send a card to someone who has been an angel in your life. So I'm going to show you two cards today. One is the actual Christmas card, and then I have a sample to show you using these stamps instead of Christmas. So here is my card, and I think it's absolutely stunning. This is actually the Whimsy and Wonder Designer Series, Specialty Designer Series paper. You know, it's got the softer pinks and greens on the other side. Well, I'll show you. So, well, that's not soft, but anyway, it's got a, different print, but this is iridescent. And it's really funny because when I take a picture of it, it doesn't look silver. It looks green and blue and orange, but that's because it's iridescent. So super pretty. This is a tent card that opens up like this, and a typical tent card is flat. It doesn't have this where you can open it up. But I hear a lot of you say that you want cards to be on display. So I turned my tent card into a regular card that could be displayed. And then, it gives you more room to write your message. So let's get started. So my card base is the basic white thick, and it is 5.5 by 8.5, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. I do have the free download on my blog that you can go over and get. You can look below the video to get my blog address for today's post, just in case you want to print this off and save it, which I know a lot of you do. And then I have the Designer Series paper that is 4 inches by 5 1/4. My tent card, it's kind of skinny and long. It is 3 inches by 9.5, and I've scored it at 4 3/4. This Designer Series paper is different. It is not in this pack. It is from the Peaceful Place, also from the mini catalog. And this measures 2 3/4 by 4 1/2. I have 2 pieces of basic white. This also measures 2 3/4 by 4 1/2. And then this one measures 2 1/2 by 4 1/2, right? Yeah, that's right. Okay, so we're actually going to be stamping on this piece first. I've got my angel. I've got my smoky slate stamp pad. I didn't want to use memento. I wanted a soft angel. We're just going to ink this up upside down because she is kind of a big angel. We're just going to stamp her right there. And while we have our stamp pad out, let me just bring in my card again. We're going to stamp the Peace on Earth. Goodwill toward men and women. Okay, what other stamping? Oh yeah, we need to stamp the inside of the card. Blessings to you and yours this season and in the coming year. Now, after I show you my other sample, let's see if I can get this straight. I have some cards that I want to share with you that my team members made, my Stamping Friends Forever team. We did a card swap, and so they sent me some cards, and I want to showcase those today on the video. So I have lots of inspiration for y'all. Why is that not working? So I'm going to bring in my designer series paper, and we're going to add this to our tent card fold. I just love the shimmer on there. I know that when I add my angel layer, she's going to cover up some of that, but I don't know, I just felt like it was appropriate to use that for my mat. And then we have this layer that we're going to go ahead and add. This is really a simple card. If you have not finished your Christmas cards yet, which I know some of you have and some of you haven't, this would be a really quick card for you to do. Okay, so while we're assembling, let's just keep on going. But I do want to color my angel before I add, just in case I make a mistake. Heaven forbid, but you know, when you're coloring, you never know. I am going to be using the Stampin' blends. Okay. You know, sometimes I always color first, sometimes I color last. When I'm doing a video, you never know what I'm going to do. All right, so I have the ladder of the smoky slate, and I'm only going to color her dress and her hair. I felt like that was a white dove. It needed to stay white. I felt like her wings, they're white. I left them white. Okay, so let's do this. Next, I'm going to take So Saffron for her hair. I just wanted a soft angel. Soft colors, soft hair, soft colored hair. Oh, goodness. And we have a little bit over here. And then because I had so much shimmer going on, I brought in Wink of Stella. I decided that she needed to have a little bit more sparkle. I mean, by the way, she's an angel, right? So surely they sparkle. I love Wink of Stella. It's just a great way to add some sparkle that dries very quickly and you don't end up with glitter all over your work surface or your children's clothes or your husband's forehead. That has happened in our family many a time in the past. Okay. All right, we are ready to add this to the front of our card. Quick and easy, but elegant. It's so pretty. Okay, can you see the Wink of Stella now? So pretty. Okay, we need a little bit more bling. So I brought out the Subtle Shimmer Sequins. And we're gonna get that. We're gonna get a little bit of glue. That's a lot. Okay, so what I'm looking for, and this, I do this every time, I'm looking for a certain size. So I'm gonna bring in my Stampin' Scrub because it is great to just grab some of these and look for what I'm looking for. I want one more little one. There we go, there's my little ones. So I've got two there, one right there. And then I want that one. That just got buried. Where'd it go? Oh, that's too funny. There you are. Come on. You're gonna play. Okay, and then we want this one right here. Just wanted the little tiny ones. Of course, I picked the tiny ones for a video, but anyway. All right, so this is the Take Your Pick tool that has the pickup part on it. And I'm actually going to take and just add some glue dots of the liquid glue. Let's see, we'll do one up here. Just gonna wipe that off. And then I'm gonna pick this up. And it's really tiny, so that's why I need my other one. Come on. They're little, but I didn't want to use the big ones. I just wanted some soft little sprinkles, a little sparkle. Okay. And then these are just super easy to pick back up. You just grab them, unless they bury themselves in. They're like a little sand crab. Little things go down into the sand. All right, so we got all those done. And our card is done. Isn't that pretty? I sure hope that you can see the shimmer and the shine that I can see on my side. All right, now let me show you my other card. This is a true tent card. There is no card back that opens up. The card is designed to lay down, and then you just open it up. So this one says, "You're an angel." And I did it in polished pink. The paper is also from the Whimsy and Wonder Designer Series paper. Just love that pink. And then, I don't know, a little tab if you would. Honestly, I can tell y'all, because you're my Stampin' friends out there in YouTube land, I messed up when I colored the bird and I didn't like him, so I put my sentiment over the bird. Sometimes angels are just good people with kind hearts. I cannot wait to send this card to a friend of mine. So, all right, now let me show you the cards from my team. Have y'all seen those tower cards? Absolutely adorable little card. It is only 4¼ inches tall. It fits perfectly when it's flat in a regular envelope. All right, so Marion Bright, and then she's got some blank pages. This is where you could write your sentiment, and just some decorated pages. Super cute. And then here is that Whimsy and Wonder that I keep talking about, the designer series paper. See, there's my iridescent stripes. And then I know that you can't get the paper anymore. For those of you who do still have, who were able to get the paper for Celebration, then, you know, you could make this card. But if you don't have it, you can always change any designer series papers. That's what I love about it. You know, just use it for the layout. And we have another little tower card. I will be showing y'all how to make these. I made them for the Creative 8 Summer Retreat, so I will be making them. They're so much easier than what you think. Look at the gorgeousness of this. All right, so once again, this is the Celebration bedazzled paper that Jody used. And again, if you don't have it, you could use gold foil, copper foil, whatever you want, but it's so pretty, just absolutely stunning. I do have photos of all of these cards on my blog if you want to refer to them. And then I love this one, just easy, great way to use up those scraps of designer series paper. This one, you're looking at it and you go, okay, watch. It's colored. Isn't that cute? It's like a surprise card. So cute. Y'all know I love shaker cards. And here is one for you. Using the little snowman, Let It Snow. And this was a unique fold. Look at that. She cut it at an angle. Merry Christmas. Very fun. So I hope that you've enjoyed all the cards I shared with y'all today. I shared a bunch. And I said, like I said, they're all pictured on my blog if you want to go check them out. But I just hope that you will take a look at this stamp set because it's not just for Christmas, y'all. Just telling you. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Happy stamping, y'all.